This next command is called VPI elevation. What this allows me to do is set a vertical point of intersection along a line string at a specified elevation. So for example, here I have a line, it has an elevation of 286.75 basically, and over here is 285.01. So let's say that I wanted to set it at exactly 286.5 or even just 286. What I can then do, instead of coming into vertical here and inputting a VPI, I have to kind of guess where that would be. If I'm using my Explorer tool, I know that 286 is going to fall somewhere right about down in here. So I can get it pretty close, but I can't get it exact. And that's where this VPI elevation command comes in. So I can select on VPI elevation, I can select my line string, and I could put in elevation 286. You can see this as one elevation defined. And now if I close this and we edit this line, you'll see that I have a vertical elevation point exactly at 286. And I can use 286.5, 286.2, whatever I want, but I can put in that using this command. So VPI elevation, we'll pick this line string, we'll do 286.5, and you can see it puts in that VPI there. So the reason that that showed up with that mark is because I'm still in my elevate line string command. So now I can see both VPIs.